The birds singing a good song. Man, it's important to connect with nature every morning. That's a routine. If you're not good at routines, you make the nature your routine. There is no greater routine than going and staring at the sun in the morning, than listening to the birds. The birds will heal you. And you will heal them by listening to them. Because they'll begin to speak more. Because the world is sentient. It ain't just you. Plants are alive and trees are alive. Mushrooms are alive and the ether and the wind is alive. And the birds got messages. They just speak different languages. You don't even understand an African or Japanese person when they speak. Same concept. But you understand what they talking about when they mad. Or when they happy, you get a gist of it. You get a gist understanding of it. Same way you listen to the birds. You can tell when they're in distress. You can tell when they're harmonizing.